smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
6:30 in the morning. We have to get up early because the next village, the accommodation's first come, first served. So we don't want to miss it. It got down to 3 degrees last night and it hasn't warmed up much since. It will warm up out into the main square early morning. Can't say this isn't running water as it comes out here. Ooh. Look at this clear water. Very quick skirting that little village and moving on. These are the signs that are up every kilometre or so and in every village, so you can't get lost. A stone ruin. Yeah, I could have worked that out. Needs a haircut though. Good morning, day 10. Very early start this morning because the place we want to stay at, chatting to the Albergue owner last night by Google Translate, he said there is actually no booking. It's first come, first served because it's quite a small village. But the reason we want to do it is it's sort of 50 kilometres to Burgos and this would just make 225s. So we got up very early. It was cold. Got down to 2-3 degrees, so it's quite cold. But we have one reasonable hill to get over today. And yeah, I mean it's been a nice day so far. But let's see where the rest of the day takes us. Come first into the village and there are loads of eateries just as you come through. Our view on a seat, taking a rest. It's a tough uphill. Woo. The Sierra de San Milan. Look at those hills. Even looks snow-topped. This is nice. Slight uphill through the trees, but interestingly, at this altitude, very few leaves. Gosh, I haven't seen one of these for a very long time. Wow. Coming into a memorial to people who died in the Spanish Civil War. We'll have a quick stop. A little dip down and up before the long 7k drop into our town for accommodation. Over a bridge and then a steep ascent, and that's it. Then it's downhill. Quite a bit of husbandry going on here. Interesting.
Like you said, people who clearly enjoy kayaking.
Long drag.
That was my compromise. I was like, I would have been on the trail at 6.
There's my bed. There's Caroline's. Amazing building we're in. So this Albergue has really good showers. This is for men. So you get a lovely shower, you get a bath. It's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. There's the Albergue. And then just swinging around, there's the church with the church Albergue to the left. What a church this is. Imagine carving this. Unbelievable. So that's where you come in the village. There's the church, and obviously the other side are the 2 albergues, and that's pretty much it.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.